Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to backup Snapchat account, and now let's dive right in. Now to backup Snapchat account, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account which you want to backup. And from over here at the top left corner of the screen, you can see your Bitmoji icon. Tap on there, and from here at the top right corner of the screen, tap on settings and scroll down from over here until you can find the memories option. And over here guys, under the category of privacy control, there is the memories just above the lenses. Tap on memories and you will find here there is the memories may backup with smart backup. Tap on the tick icon or the empty box at the right side of the smart backup, and over here guys you can see the save destinations, and the second option it says auto save my story snaps. Tap on there and tap on auto save to memories, and this way guys your Snapchat account will be backed up automatically the moment you send or take a snap onto your device. And with that being said guys, this is how you back up Snapchat account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.